Alright, what's going on? A little bit ago I bought a MacBook Pro from a Virginia Tech surplus auction that I didn't even know existed until, I figured it out through Facebook. Is my camera broken or? Oh, okay, never mind. I'm filming on the new M50 Mark II, the Canon M50 Mark II that I picked up. So I picked up this laptop. Sorry, that was just random. I picked up this laptop from the auction website. It was $100. Hard drive had been removed. They had a bunch of other stuff on there. They had some weird stuff on there, like mice holders and a bunch of really weird shit. They had like metal detectors. Anyways, I didn't know about it, but I figured out through actually Facebook Marketplace. I was looking at something. It's like, oh crap, there's a freaking couch from the student center. Oh, maybe somebody stole it and put it in Marketplace. Nope, they got it from the Virginia Tech surplus auction. So I looked at it. Believe it or not, they auction off all kinds of old shit, old computers, laptops, TVs, all kinds of stuff. Like I said, even some weird crap, pallets of old desktops. But I got this, $100. Hard drive had been wiped, so it still has a hard drive. Some of them have the hard drive removed, like this one right here has the hard drive removed. I've been working on that. You'll see that in another video. But anyways, this video is gonna be about that. Is it worth it in 2022? You can buy old, MacBooks on Facebook Marketplace. I'm probably sure you can buy it on eBay. All this crap, sight unseen. Is it worth it in 2022 to buy an old MacBook? This one, you'll see later on in the video, it happened to be from 2012. I didn't know that at the time. These right here, they're from 2009. But this one has I'll figure this. I didn't know this at first when I bought it. It has a Core i7 processor, 8 gigs of RAM. What else does it have? It can't come with a normal hard drive like this, the ones that spin up and everything, right, the old style ones, right? That was the one that was in the computer. It was wiped, so when you turn it on, it's got the blank flashing screen of death, the question mark, and the file folder and everything. Anyways, I got all around that. I'll show you how I did in this video. I used the internet recovery, so this is interesting. Instead of making a bootable thumb drive, I used the internet recovery to install Mountain Lion, and then I went all the way through Safari and installed like the next version, because it was so old that you couldn't even use the App Store to download the new stuff. But eventually I got it all the way to Mac OS Catalina, which is the newest thing that it can take, which is good because that's not that old. All right, let's get started. First thing I did was I took it apart, disassembled it, and put an SSD drive in there. So here's that. I bought a charger on Amazon. It's actually charging. It actually had some battery in it when I got it. But anyways, looked at the serial number. Serial number's on the back right here. Look it up. I put property of me instead of that. I'll take those stickers off eventually. Look up and everymac.com. All right, so here we are going to this website right here. You can type in the serial number here. I think this is the one that was for the MacBook. We'll look this one up. Boom. And you have to say, I'm not a robot. Of course, I'm not a robot. Intel right here. Intel Core i7 mid 2012 MacBook Pro 15-inch. Maybe I lied. Maybe it has 4 gigs of RAM. This is a serial number lookup. You go to everymac.com, back, look up the serial number, and boom. Okay, so we're cleaning out my work area. Now I'm going to take out each one of these screws right here. So let's just do that. I'm starting to remove this back cover. I'm also filming a TikTok, so that's what you see right there. I have no idea why I have them shirtless. Maybe I just finished a workout and filmed this like a week ago, so I forgot. I'm taking it out, removing the old hard drive, installing the new SSD. I disappeared somewhere, I think, to blow off the stuff for the air compressor, clean up the dust on the inside, clean it up. I installed the SSD and put everything back together. Okay, I've gotten the new hard drive right here. I got the old hard drive out. This is a solid state drive, so it's gonna be a lot faster. I cleaned up the top. I got all this horrible stickers off there. Still got some scratches on it, but I don't know. Don't matter. This was only $100 anyway, so whatever. I'm gonna install this in here now. All right. Okay, that's the drive mounted in there, nice and sturdy. It's not going anywhere. I'm gonna put the cover back on, and then we're gonna reinstall OS software. I guess maybe I can just run like the external thing off this, see if it actually works and boots up. If not, then I'll just use the internet recovery again. If it doesn't work, then you make another USB boot stick or whatever, and that should be enough to get this thing updated and installed back to Mac OS. Probably I try to use Catalina or something like that. But all right, so I got the thing installed. Now I'm gonna turn it on, the new hard drive. Alright, as you can see, it's running just fine. And here you go. Here's all the specs of it right here. Software upgrade. This is the latest up to date, so this is the latest this Mac can take. There's ways you can install later updates, and I'll probably do that later, but we'll do that, such as Big Sur and stuff. You can put that on these older ones. MacBook 2012. So anyways, I'm going to run a benchmark test. It's a screen recorder device. I got MATLAB pulled up just to show you that, yeah, this is MATLAB 2022. It can run MATLAB. Basically, I use it for my engineering work, so yeah, this is basically sine wave. I named it sine wave test plot. It'll run MATLAB. I mean, if it runs this, it'll probably run the video editing program. I'm gonna exit this out. All right, here we go. Here's running the video editor. Just add the files. I took some screen recordings on the Mac already.
So let's see, add files. These are the screen recordings that I've taken. All right, so let's export these. Let's see, it's exporting right now. So there you go, exporting a video, not bad. It'll run my video editor. Next, I'll run a benchmark test. So as you can see, it ran the benchmark test using Cinebench R23. This is for more like PC stuff, so I mean, it ranks at the bottom. Probably not the best for playing PC games and stuff, but obviously it still works for most programs. You know, you can use Word, PowerPoint, Office 365, a video editor, MATLAB. I'll probably do some programming on here. But yeah,
there you go. There's the auction MacBook Pro. That was $100. I replaced the SSD. Well, actually, I upgraded to SSD drive. Downloaded all the way up to macOS Catalina, and it runs fine. I mean, it's very quick. You know, look. I mean, I'm sure like when you're doing a bunch of programs at the same time, I'm sure when you really tax it, it's gonna suffer because it's an older machine. But that i7 processor really helps out a lot. So bottom line is it worth it? 2022, I think yes. Try to get one with this i7 processor. Don't go like for the Core 2 Duos. Like this one has a Core 2 Duo, so I'm not sure how good that's gonna be. But anyways, I mean, I'm pretty sure you can upgrade the RAM and everything. So this works fine. Regular old SSD drive, stick it in there. Works fine. Reinstall Mac OS. You can upgrade all the way to Catalina, like I said. I mean, this thing didn't try to fight me at all. I'm assuming when I try to go to Big Sur, right? I mean, just go to software update. It says your Mac's up to date, so there's no more updates available from the store for this. But you can get Big Sur to run on this. I've seen it done before. I'll probably try to do that. I'm assuming it's gonna try to fight me. Some stuff might not work, like the webcam and whatnot. But anyways. Yeah, it works fine for normal day use. I will definitely be adding this one into my collection of computers that I have going on here. Stay tuned for more stuff. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time.